unbridled luxury and innovation, where the boundaries of transportation were pushed to new extremes. An astonishing symbol of luxury travel innovation, the 1976 Jetway 707 is a fascinating relic of an era when opulence and practicality were fused into a single concept, and here, impossible became possible. Designed to redefine group transportation, this custom-built vehicle emerged as a futuristic alternative to traditional limousines, capturing attention with its unique blend of aviation-inspired styling and road-going functionality. Unlike conventional transport options, the Jetway 707 was created to provide passengers with an unmatched travel experience. Underneath its extended frame, the Jetway 707 featured a powertrain robust enough to carry its significant weight while ensuring a smooth, commanding ride. Built on a commercial truck chassis, its engineering incorporated heavy-duty suspension and advanced braking systems for optimal road stability. A powerful V8 engine provided the necessary thrust to maneuver this mobile luxury lounge across highways with grace and authority. Step inside, and an interior designed for comfort and extravagance is revealed. The Jetway 707's spacious cabin was meticulously crafted to accommodate VIPs, executives, and even celebrities. Plush, high-end seating arrangements, wood-paneled walls, and soft ambient lighting created a refined atmosphere, rivaling private jets and high-end motorhomes of its time. The inclusion of advanced amenities such as entertainment systems, minibars, and conference-style seating reinforced its reputation as the pinnacle of road-going luxury. What set the 1976 Jetway 707 apart was its unparalleled sense of exclusivity. Custom-built in limited numbers, it was not mass-produced, making it a rare collectible today. Over the years, variations in design and modification allowed owners to personalize these extravagant vehicles further, ensuring that no two were exactly alike. Some were configured as luxury coaches, while others served as promotional vehicles or mobile executive suites. In today's collector market, the value of a well-preserved Jetway 707 can fluctuate significantly based on originality and condition. With its rarity and unique history, enthusiasts and collectors recognize its significance, and a fully restored example could command a high price, reflecting its place in automotive history. As a bold experiment in luxury transportation, does the Jetway 707 still stand as a timeless masterpiece of extravagant travel? Its combination of innovation and exclusivity ensures that it remains a conversation piece among automotive historians and luxury vehicle aficionados. Join our community and embark on a journey through the most extraordinary vehicles ever built. Subscribe for unparalleled insights, rare finds, and deep dives into the stories behind automotive legends. Are you ready to rediscover the golden age of luxury travel?